Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, جعل الله الكعبة البيت الحرام قياما للناس والشهر الحرام والهدي والقلائد ذلك لتعلموا أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأن الله بكل شيء عليم. Translation: Allah has made Kaaba, the sacred house, as a standard of sanctity for mankind and the sacred holy month of pilgrimage and the offering sacrificial animals and the animals identified with garland or collar. That is to inform you that Allah knows all that is in heavens and on earth, and that Allah is all knowing of all things. Kaaba in Arabic language means a square home that is elevated, and when Masjid Haram was not built, the Kaaba was seen as an elevated house, and its name was kept Kaaba for that reason. From the beginning, even in the times of ignorance, Kaaba was a sacred house and killing was prohibited in the time of ignorance. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made Kaaba as a reason for the establishment of the humans in the city of Mecca, and also to one extent the whole world. There are millions of people that travel to Kaaba for Hajj and Umrah, and they bring lots of business from all over the world to the Mecca, and that establishes the society in Arab, especially in Mecca. And in the other sense, if we see, the Hajj is a great worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is remembered during the Hajj, and this is the reason for the continued existence of human race, as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the Qiyamah or the day of resurrection will not be established unless even once Allah is called in this world. So whenever the world is devoid of any worshipper of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Hajj in the Kaaba will also be abolished, and at that time the day of resurrection will be established. The animals of Hadi, meaning the sacrificial animals, are those animals that are brought to the Mecca for sacrifice during Hajj, and nowadays the animals are available in the city of Mecca, but in the old days people used to bring their own animals. Some of the animals are identified with the collars, especially the camels, and they are called the Qalaid. Scholars say that Qalaid are mentioned separately as the camels are bigger animals, and those who sacrifice them get more good deeds. So the Kaaba, the Hadi animals, and the Qalaid and the month of Hajj are sacred, and they are made sacred by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the next ayahs, we will study about those things that were man-made and the people made them sacred without any certification from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this Hajj in the Baytul Haram, and He has kept all the benefits for the humanity in this Hajj as mentioned before, including the benefits of economy, and also the existence of the whole world is dependent on the continuation of the performance of a Hajj. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.